Saturday the 19th of October 2019, the penultimate day of my mosaic workshops this term. So it's the 163rd mosaic workshop I've had in my studio. So I'm all set up. All the photocopies and whatnots are out. All the here's what I've done before and comments book. And I'm showing my echinacea, of course, my garden goddesses up there as well. And then I've got my phoenix and the mosaic tools of the trade, side biter, score a snapper, and I'm going to be talking about the Montolit ones as well. And other tools are available. So here we go. Caroline Jerrywalla Mango Mosaics on Saturday the 19th of October 2019 on the 163rd Mango Mosaics workshop in my studio, and we've got a delightful group of radiologists, did you say? Radiographers. It's the radiographer gang. A little closed group of gorgeous ladies doing some people doing beginners workshops. Our Max here is an artist, so she's very professional. And we've got a cockerel here from Sheila, and then we've got lovely Sue doing a dragonfly. Our Ruth doing a lovely what's it called? Beach hut. And Sue is doing her landscape. So this is today's workshop. So here we have Sue giving it grouting, smiley smiley, and she's using the rubber kidney to push the grout. That's it, good woman. Push the grout in all the crevices, madam. So you can see that it's quite forgiving, this rubber kidney. So that's what the work looks like so far. No, it's absolutely fine. Right, this is Sue's mosaic, all grouted up. So it didn't take no more than half an hour to finish it all off and get all the details in. We might add a little bit more grout on some of the edges, like along here, but it could just be reshaped anyway. Go on, put it up, Sue. Hold it up, Sue. This is Sue, you see? This is Sue. Say hello, Sue.
Hello. Hello, Sue. So you said you did like having a picture date. Hello, Caroline.
There you go. Okay, it's time to grout. So we're using Ultracolour Plus by Mapei 144 chocolate. 144 is the code for chocolate. So what we're doing is 3 parts of powder to 1 part of water. Or in this case, because we've got Sue's mosaic here, pan it across, Sue. This is a 24 by 24 centimetre mosaic, and it will take about that much of grout. So that's an early learning centre non-spill pot without the lid. So one of these will equal covering this and the edge. So what I'm going to do now is add that in. And we're going to just add a small amount of water at a time to incorporate the ingredients. So if I get you to, in a minute, show it how it is. And I only use a small amount of water at a time, just in case it starts getting a little bit too runny, clearly. So this might do it. And sometimes, you know, after years of doing it, you kind of know the kind of texture you want. And also you want to make sure that all the lumps are out the way. And it's smooth as, like a ganache smooth consistency. Now, I've made this quite creamy. You could, at this stage, still add a little bit of powder. because it's still active. So don't feel that it's a wasted time. So I'm just going to add and incorporate all the ingredients here. And this is just a mixing bowl. Clearly, when you've got a big mosaic, a big tiled wall, folks, the tilers would use a heavy industrial mixer. But there's only me, you see, so I only use small amounts at a time anyway, because it's so detailed, and also because of the different heights incorporated as well. So that's become better. That's a thicker ingredients that we want. And now, just to start it off, I'm going to add a bit. And you're pushing it in all the crevices. Now I'm using a rubber kidney, which you'd use in ceramics, but because it's nice and soft and it doesn't scratch, it's the perfect tool. But you could just use your fingers, obviously with gloves, obviously. So this is the process we're going for now. You know, see, it's, you know, it starts to cure pretty quickly actually. So we're going to continue, and I'll take a few photos of our Sue grouting as well. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye. So now Sue's having a go. So she's pushing the grout into all the crevices with the grout. There you go. So now you know.